After 2 hours, we finally got Adam's car in the driveway. 2 hours, a lot of twigs, a lot of shoveling, and some floor mats. You okay, baby? I think that's as far in as you're gonna get. Hey, imagine what it would have been like if I didn't shovel 4 or 5 times before you came home.
Should I dig a little bit and pull it in further?
No, I think you're good.
I'm worried about the plow though.
I wouldn't be worried. You're good.
Why would you be worried?
Because there's still plenty of road for them to plow. Yeah, you're fine.
Maybe I should put like something.
Like what?
Something so they know that it's a car.
I think they'll be able to tell it's a car. It's in a driveway. We got a lot of snow. I wish I was videotaping when you fell. That was hilarious.